and welcome to today's cookbook adventure. We are using Everyday Low Lectin cookbook. We are going to try a kohlrabi and arugula salad. Yes, we are still in this discovering kohlrabi adventure. I love the soup. If you've not checked out the video, go and do that. And welcome as we try out today kohlrabi salad. I'm excited for this one. Let's see what you're working with so that we can begin. Here we are. We have a couple of things: balsamic vinegar, olive oil, honey, salt, black pepper, some rockets, kohlrabi, an orange, poppy seeds, and some cheese. We start by making our balsamic honey vinaigrette. Then we'll go to our salad. This is a very simple recipe. So my balsamic vinegar, then the olive oil, some honey, a pinch of salt, some black pepper. Look at that. Looks nice. So we set this aside. We're going to toast our pine nuts for a few minutes. Let's peel our kohlrabi. The next thing is slicing. The orange, we're supposed to peel the orange. I'll only use half of the orange. For the orange, you just need to roughly chop. I'm using the juice. Let me chop it on the plate. I'll arrange the kohlrabi on top of the arugula. Then the orange. So I was saying I would slice on top because now on the board I was losing a lot of juice. So far, so good. So the cheese. The pine nuts. The poppy seeds. And lastly, our honey balsamic vinaigrette. Yay!